Hey everyone, Noah here with Full Balance Fitness, and in our episode today, we'll be covering the top 2 shoulder exercises that you can either do in the gym or from home. I'll be getting quizzed with some difficult fitness trivia, and be sure to stick around to the end for some hilarious bloopers. All of that and more right after this.
I tried flirting at the gym, but all I got was cold shoulders.
Thank God that's not true. All right, guys, I'm here today with my co-host, my wife Elizabeth.
Hello.
Our question for today comes from Humulum Fidel. He said, I've used kettlebells for warm-ups, but I'm interested in incorporating them into regular workout routines. Which kettlebell exercises would you recommend to build a stronger core? First off, thanks for the support. Thanks for the great question. I got to tell you, the big thing is to push your core because it can take a lot, but make sure that you build up with time. So the first exercise that comes to mind would be a kettlebell swing. This will pull in a lot of glute and hamstrings as well, but a lot of the trunk, abs, lumbar, hip flexors, all of that. Make sure as you do this, you start out light, maybe just with your body weight, and then build up with time. The other thing would be a Russian twist with a kettlebell. And with this, you can do a version with your feet on the floor, or you could also do a more advanced version with your feet crossed over each other and elevated above the floor as you do it. This is where I would start. We also have more tutorials for ab exercises that you can do from home on the channel, but these should be some good ones.
Nice burn. Now to Henry and the stolen dumbbell.
For years, Henry has been known to steal things that belong to other people. As soon as I began working out from home, he began to lust over my dumbbells, desiring to turn them into his own personal chew toys. So one rainy winter day, as I was working out from home, Henry came in and acted upon his evil desire. And as I began to fight him for the dumbbell, it became clear this was now his chew toy. He might be a naughty dog, and we might never see these dumbbells again. But one thing is true, made for a really good story.
He was so wet afterwards.
Yeah. Thankfully, I needed a good excuse to get a new set of 10-pound iron dumbbells. So, there we go. That down, let's move on to the top 2 shoulder exercises that you can do from home. The first exercise we'll do will be a power movement. It'll be overhead press. This will be for anterior delts and the lateral head of the delt. Grab your dumbbells. Make sure as you do this, you keep your shoulders relaxed. You don't want to shrug up like a shrug for the traps. Have your dumbbells here. Brace your abs. And come back down. Make sure you inhale on the way down and exhale as you power up. The last exercise of the day will be forward and lateral raises. Performing forward and lateral raises together is great, especially as a time saver. Go ahead and get a lighter set of dumbbells for this. You just want to go up and up. As you do this, make sure you keep your shoulders relaxed to the best of your ability. Don't be shrugging, of course. And also make sure that your elbows are relaxed as well. So when you go up, you're not going to lock it out. You're going to keep it slightly bent as you go up. And with these exercises, it's important to remember that you can do them from home. You could begin with body weight, but with time, you'd probably want to get a set of dumbbells. That'll help you out a lot.
Hello, recipe time again. Yay! Today I made non-bake protein cookies. Yummy. I know we're always seeking to hit that sweet tooth, but luckily with these, we don't have to worry. These are low in sugar and low in calories, and they are high in protein, being about 5 to 10 grams of protein. All right, some of the ingredients I used is some dark chocolate chips. Now, the darker you go, the less sugar there is. Some peanut butter, oats, old-fashioned by the way, and whey protein. But of course, that's completely up to you what protein you use. But they're quick and easy, and they take about 15 minutes in the refrigerator to harden, and then ready to go and eat. Yummy. Now, the trivia.
Fitness trivia time! Yay!
Guys, be sure to comment how many you get right. I'm curious.
All right, we got 5 questions. You ready?
Ready?
All right. Which hormone is often referred to as the stress hormone?
Adrenaline. Kidding. Cortisol.
Yes.
Yay!
All right, question 2. How many planes of movement are there and what are they called?
Anterior, posterior, and lateral.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, you got the 3 right, but
There's a 4th.
no, it was 3.
Okay.
Frontal, transversal, and sagittal.
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 Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's been a little while. Okay. I got that one wrong. Okay. Next.
Oh, you got it right, but you got it wrong too. All right. Question 3. In fitness, what does AMRAP stand for?
AMRAP. Can I give a hint? Can I get a hint on the first word?
As.
Oh, as many reps as possible.
Yeah, there you
AMRAP.
go.
That's right. Okay. I'll take half a point for that.
All
Half
right.
a point for the last 2.
All right, I'll put half a point.
Okay.
All right. Question 4. Which substance in the body was once thought to be nothing more than waste from oxygen-starved muscles, but may actually be a fuel for high-intensity workouts?
It's not going to say lactic acid, is it? It is?
It is.
Okay.
It actually is.
Yeah, okay. All right.
All right.
There was nothing else I could think of. That it would be.
Wow.
Okay.
Well, that's a great job. Anyways, question 5. What 2-word term describes the physiological point during exercise at which acid starts to accumulate in the muscles?
I don't have it.
All right. Anterobiotic threshold. I probably said the first word wrong.
No, I know what you're talking about. Okay. Well, I'm humbled. How many is that? 3 out of 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
With a few half points in there. So.
Okay. Well, next time I have a good challenge. So that's what I got. I got 3 out of 5. Please comment how many you got. I'll be curious to hear it. Guys, thank you very much for sticking around today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. A comment that you leave will be featured in a future video. We appreciate your time today.
Thank you. Bye.
God bless.
I tried flirting at the gym.
That's too dumb it down. Okay, back up a little bit. This is so dumb.
I tried flirting at the gym.
You mumbled. Flirting. I'll be getting quizzed with some not crazy. Dang it!
But
All right,
I
please.
just want to be close.
I know. I want to be close to you too. Let's wait for that to stop. Make sure.
I got a car going by, guys.
Let's move on to the top 2 shoulder workouts. Crap! Dang it.
Who is our guest today? Birthday baby.
Hey, it worked. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum. Okay.
You didn't say question. You didn't say joke.